Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you would like to fix your WhatsApp call not ringing when your phone is locked on Android, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, launch your settings application from your device. Scroll all the way below and tap on apps. Here you have to search for WhatsApp, so locate your WhatsApp and open it. Under privacy, you will see notifications. Tap it, make sure this is set to allow and this is toggled on. Make sure this is set to allow sound and vibrations. Under notification types, make sure everything is turned on. That way you will get lock screen notification, a badge on top of WhatsApp icon, and also a pop-up window at the top page. Once done, go back, tap permissions, and make sure sound is allowed for WhatsApp. You may go ahead and do that by tapping on this phone. Tap allow. And likewise, if you would like to give permission for microphone, you may go ahead and do that as well. Launch microphone, tap allow only while using the app. Now once it is so, scroll below again. Under usage, you will see battery. Open it, and then this might be up to optimized, but you have to set it to unrestricted. And likewise, restart your device and this shall work.